Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of maths, and we are on to the solving of concept sheets. And today we will be solving the concept sheet of the topic or the chapter time. Right? Time. If I ask you what is time, you will say whatever we see on the watch, or it is the duration within which we have to do some work. Right? And some very great quotations have been said on time, like time and tide wait for none. Also, a great scientist, Einstein, had said time is an illusion. So, a lot of work, lot of researches have been done on time. Actually, what is time, right? But nobody can actually say what it is. This is the matter of fact. Nobody can exactly define time, right? So, without not time is measured, you know, through clocks, watches. And if I ask you that 1 hour is equal to how much? See, the units of time are hour, minute, and second. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If I ask you 1 minute is equal to, so you will say 60 seconds, right? You will say 60 seconds. Okay. So the basic units are hour, minute, and second. Now let us move into this concept sheets. Now see the first question. Find the duration of time between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. So whenever there is we have to find duration. What we will be doing is we will be subtracting. हम लोग को minus करना होगा, right? Always remember PM time is greater than AM, because see what we do is we follow two patterns, 12 hour and 24 hours. Now 2 PM written in question C is as per the 12-hour format. If we have to convert it into 24 hours, so it will be 12 plus 2, that is 14 hours. Now from 14 we will be subtracting 10, right? Similarly in A, 11 minus 9, we all know it is 2 hours. 12 noon to 4 p.m. In this same thing we have to do, it is in PM, so 12 plus 4, 16, and 16 minus 12, that is 4 hours, right? And this is how you will be doing the question number concept sheet, question number 1, right? You will be subtracting. See, G and H, the time is already been converted, where both are PM or both are AM. You just need to simply subtract the time, and if one is in PM, the other is in AM, then you will be converting the PM into 12 hourly, right? Into 12 hourly, right? Okay. You will be adding 12 to the PM time and then subtracting it. Now, question number 2. How many minutes pass between 1 o'clock and quarter past 1? Quarter past 1 is how much? See, quarter past 1 is 1 is to 1 is to 15, right? We say 1 dot 15, 1 hour 15 minutes. It is quarter past. If it would have been quarter to, that means 15 minutes before 1. So it would have been 12:45. Now 1 o'clock and 1:15. So how many minutes it is? We will be subtracting, and the answer which we will be getting is 15 minutes. Okay. Similarly, in this also, see, 3 o'clock and quarter to 4. Quarter to 4 is 3:45, 15 minutes before 4. So again subtracting, we will get 45 minutes. Then 3, find the time, use AM or PM. 15 minutes after 10 is to 10 AM. 10, 10 hours and 10 minutes. Now after. So how we will be doing it? We will be writing 10, 10, and then it is in minutes, so under the minute part we will be writing, and then we will be adding the two, so we will be getting 10 25, right? And this is how you'll be doing the third one. Now fourth, Saurabh gets up in the morning 6 a.m. It takes him 35 minutes to get ready for the school. So after getting up 35 minutes more, at what time does he start for school? So you will be adding and you will be getting 6 hours 45 minutes, right? So I stop here. I leave the rest of the questions for you to do, right? I hope you like the session as much as I did in making it. Unless and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.